Looking to turn your passion for simulation games into a profitable venture? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal the secrets to earning money while playing your favorite simulation game. Discover how you can monetize your gaming skills and turn them into a lucrative side hustle. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make money doing what you love. Watch now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Make sure you visit the link in the description box to discover proven methods that are guaranteed to help you generate income without even leaving your home. Take advantage of these valuable resources and unlock the secrets to financial success right at your fingertips. Now let's get started. Turn your passion for gaming into a lucrative income stream. With this revolutionary simulation game app, GiveEasyZoo Park, you can now earn real money while doing what you love. It's time to unleash your gaming skills and get rewarded for it. Imagine a world where your gaming prowess translates into tangible earnings. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated pro, GiveEasyZoo Park offers endless opportunities to monetize your talent and make real cash from the comfort of your own home. GiveEasyZoo Park is a brand new zoo simulation game where you can have cute animals and receive visitors. Create the zoo of your dreams. Take care of animals, clean and feed them, and make money. Amazing, isn't it? Attract visitors and increase your earnings to a whole new level. Ditch the traditional notion that gaming is just a hobby. Start earning money now by playing our exciting simulation game. Join the community of gamers and start experiencing the thrill of turning your passion into profit. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.